quick tip. I just went through a moment that I remember there's a tip for it. Sometimes, and they're great when this happens, they recap the floor, you know, but before they put the asphalt, they make this here, and look how hard it is. See, people prefer going down on the other side. People would decide going on the other side, then coming here, because check it out. If you have large wheels, okay, but if you have very narrow wheels like ours, one thing that happened to me a lot when I was riding my road bike is when you get to this place, when you get to a road like this, you have to be careful. And tip is hold your grip firm, but loosen up your arms, because if the floor, the ground takes you somewhere, let it go and come back, you know? Check it out. See, just go with the flow. Don't put it lots of weight on the front wheel, and let it go, you know. If it takes you somewhere, like with the so it's going to the right, so let to the right, then I cross it. Or another tip is go like this. It's worse, but at least you're not gonna fall down. See, here and now, that's the new one, and this one is. And this one's so easy. So hope you did like it. It's just a quick tip. It's just that sometimes I do remember things and I show you.